13 plus drawdown, 13 plus percent drawdown in a single month. Friends, this is what I least expected that will happen in my trading account. But to tell you the truth, it came this month. I have a drawdown of 13 plus percent drawdown in my trading account, which I never expect that will come to me. I never expect that 13% drawdown will come to my account after hasn't been experiencing series of drawdown in my account for the past 6 months. As I always bring to you, I have been experiencing generally drawdown in my trading account, which has been minor. But this month, which is month of July, was extremely heavy, which I least expected it, and it came. Why I am bringing here is that if not because of my proper risk management, maybe this kind of drawdown is very possible of blowing somebody's account. If you have not been managing your risk properly, this kind of drawdown, that when you say that you have backtested your account, that this kind of a drawdown will least come to you, and finally it came when you didn't expect it. This is very possible, and that can blow somebody's account. My name is Steven Chukwuemeka Ugoke, also called Stevemeks FX. I am a professional trend follower. I always bring my experience in this channel to educate people that are still coming up, or those that are experienced also, to bring up my trading journey as a trend follower and share it with my audience. This month was a very bad month for me, because what I least expected to happen to me really happened, which is a drawdown that is as heavy as 13 good percent in one single month. After having series of drawdown the previous month, this month really hit me hard, and I said, what exactly is happening to my trading strategy? If not because of my proper risk management, just like I said earlier, this is very possible. This can actually take off your trading account, or take you to a stage which you will not be able to conduct trading operation in that account, because the account must have been affected heavily, that you will not be stable of conducting trading in that particular account. But to tell you the truth, my good risk management was able to curtail the loss and still have some reasonable amount of money in my account, and I'm still trading the account. I will go ahead and show you the trades that I placed, the instruments that actually made that drawdown to affect me heavily. Let's all jump directly into my chart. All right, we are here in my MT4, and before us here is Nasdaq index. Let me make it a little bit wider. This is Nasdaq index, and as we are looking at Nasdaq, after experiencing consolidation here, after this consolidation, let me pick my cursor. After this consolidation throughout here, okay, let me pick the marker. Let me look for marker. Okay. After this consolidation, this place, after consolidation and the retracement here, when the market finally broke out of this particular box, when the market finally broke out from this particular box, and I placed some trade. If you look at this red line, this actually is not the trade that I placed. These ones may be the ones that I placed earlier now, but there is still some trades that are here that I placed when this breakout happened, and some other trade that I placed along the line, and even before then. when the price finally break out of this place, I placed a trade somewhere here. This particular line was actually the trade that I placed. This one is a trade that I placed, and the rest of it, and even the previous trade that I had, that I have, that was still running. So the market didn't go far enough, because this particular place was not still good, was not too good for trend follower. Yes, after encountering all these things, the market still came back here. We didn't go far, and started consolidating again, and started retracing back again. That is exactly what happened to me. Not that it retraced back, it retraced back up to this extent, and I have some trade on it. The ones that closed without profit, and the ones that was affecting the equity curve. Maybe the ones that are already in profit, that are affecting the equity curve. Excuse me. My lighting is becoming dull. So as I was saying, the so with the trades that I had already, that has been running, all of them joined together to make this the drawdown affect me so heavily, up to that 13 point something percent. If you look at also the 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 S&P 500 also have a have its own drawdown also. You can see the month of July. Look at the month of July, also have its own drawdown. After, wait, let me okay. Okay, look at the drawdown for that month, for the month of, after breaking out of this place and trended a little bit, just a little bit further, and started consolidating back again. That is exactly what made the drawdown to be heavy on me, because I least expected that the market will sooner or later started consolidating after breaking out here. But who are you? You never can tell what the market will do. It's only left for you to manage your account properly, but because market will always do what he wants to do. So your job as a trader is for you to manage your risk properly, so that it will not affect you in any way. So any way anytime it comes, it does what it wants to, that is against your positions. Let us check the positions that I placed. Let us check the positions that I placed throughout the month and count it as we usually do. Okay. All right. It is total of minus $1,359. This is center account actually. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 32 positions was executed throughout the month of July. But mind you that all these trades that were closed in the month of July were not actually placed in the month of July, but most of them was placed in the month of July, just like this one. Just like this one that closed in profit, which is Euro JPY, was not placed in the month of July. This particular trade, what is in profit, was not placed in the month of July. This one was actually placed since last year, May, January, February, March, April, May last year, but this is not why we are here. Then this one was in June that I placed it, and it closed in July. Then let us check the one of Nasdaq and S&P 500. Look at one S&P 500 here. Okay, you can see Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq one. This one was the same month that I placed it, and it closed the same month. This one was in June. Nasdaq. This is S&P 500 by July also. This one by July also. This one was also by July. As you can see that there are some trades that I placed by that July and closed by that July, and some trade that I placed before then and still closed. Some of them closed, most of them closed in negative, but that shouldn't be my problem. My problem is that, and what I learned is always that you have to manage your account properly to avert whatever unforeseen circumstance that the market might present. Unforeseen circumstance that the market might present is always what you're always supposed to be alert of, because I never expect that I will have a drawdown up to 13% in one single month, which is very possible of blowing someone's account if you aren't managing your account properly. That is what I want us to drive out from this particular video. Thank you very much for being here with me. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the thumbs up button. Share this video so to many people that might be looking for is a video that we encourage traders to know how they manage their risk. That loss is inevitable. Losing is inevitable in trading, but what is bad is when you did not manage your account properly and it affects you heavily. That is what we make you not a good trader. Share this video to others so that others might see it and drive one or two information for it. Bye for now.